Do you know what this is or how to use it? Well, if you don't, stick around. We're going to talk about that coming up next in this month's Quick Tip. Hey friends, Ryan Reynolds here with Keller Williams Consultants Realty, and in this month's Quick Tip we are talking about this device right here. So I'm on the back of my house, and actually this is where the sump pump line discharges to the underground plumbing or underground drainage system that goes away from the house, goes down, gets into a local river eventually, and ends up in the ocean. So this is what supplies all the water in the ocean, and if you want to look that up, you can check it. But today, more importantly, we're talking about this little piece here on the end. If your house is like most and it's built to code, you should have a T here coming out, and in the run end of the T, you should have a threaded connection with a plug. That plug's called a freeze plug, and the purpose of that is if for some reason your underground drainage system looks like this, then what you can do is you can actually take this plug out, and then you can buy a kit at your local Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever the big box you like. It comes with an adapter and a long hose that you can screw into this and essentially bypass it. Now, why would you want to do that? Why don't you just wait for it to thaw? Well, the reason is because this is an important part of keeping your basement dry. And if this is overflowing, what's happening is the water is being pumped out and it's actually going back down into your sump pump and just kind of circulating. It's costing you money, and more importantly, it's not allowing your foundation to be dry and drain. So that's all I have for you in this month's Quick Tip. This is your friend, the freeze plug, and make sure if you ever think you might have problems with your underground drainage system that you pick up one of those above ground adapters and hoses before you need it, because when you need it, it might be too late because everybody else might need it too. Again, my name is Ryan Reynolds with Keller Williams Consultants Realty. As always, we're guiding you to the home that fits your life.